you been? It's my pleasure to have you back with me on the lecture. So today I'm going to be solving some questions on infection and response. This some sort of there's a lot of questions here, so I'm going to do it in parts. Like some is going to be just introduction aspect of this, so that it won't be too bulky to go through. So basically here it says write a definition of each type of disease and give two examples each. So because of time, I'm just going to paraphrase some of the definitions to make it easier for anyone watching this to grasp. So basically, communicable diseases are diseases that are caused by pathogens, keyword pathogens, and that can spread. Now, so it could spread through elements. Example, e.g., you can say COVID-19. Then we can also say, let me zoom that to make it easier for everyone to see. COVID-19. Then we can say measles. You can go on and on. All right, the next one says non-communicable disease. Okay, these are caused by various factors, e.g., genetic or environmental, and cannot spread. Let me just say don't spread. All right, example, cancer, diabetes, etc. So it says two examples each, then you want to define it. Don't forget that I'm paraphrasing to make it easier to grasp. All right, so it says here label of pathogens. So each of those pictures explain each pathogen. Like, okay, this is a pathogen, so you're meant to say what it is. So this is bacterial, a bacterium singular, or bacteria plural, but I think this is just the one. How do I know that? Because it has flagellum. There you can see the genetic material not in the nucleus. Then this is virus. I guess this is quite easy to know because this picture became more popular during COVID-19. All right, then this one is a protist. If you've been in my class or you've seen the lecture, you should have seen something that looks like this to be one of the protists, because the four categories of pathogens we have are bacteria, virus, fungi, and protists. So this is fungi plural or fungus singular. All right, so it says name the three ways pathogens are spread and give at least one example. So it can spread directly, that would be e.g. sexual contacts, or it could spread indirectly, e.g. let's say air or say water. Then through vectors, e.g. mosquitoes, flies. You can just say fly. You can say, okay, let me say flies. Okay, say mosquitoes. Can go on and on. Please pardon my handwriting. So here it says, how do pathogens cause disease? Fill the gap. Okay, so that should reproduce rapidly. Which of the pathogens actually reproduce rapidly? That should be bacteria. Bacteria reproduce rapidly by dash. You could say by binary fission. Actually, they use a process called binary fission, which is a type of mitosis. I mean to say, binary fission. Binary fission simply means one single bacterial cell splits into two, then that splits into two, that splits into two, like that. So you can just go on and on. That explains what binary fission is. Or if you say cell diffusion, that's not really bad also. Now they may produce toxins. This is a keyword in GCSE, toxins. You can be asked, what does bacterial cell reproduce? Or what do they produce that makes us sick? The answer is toxins. Now, that take over the cells of your body. It is virus that does that. They live and rapidly reproduce or replicate. The preferable word should be replicate. Replicate inside. Then this causes cell damage. So I'm going to do this as the first section of the